A call for more men to do early screening for prostate cancer because once detected early, it can be cured. TVJ Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
The health report is prostate cancer continues to be one of the leading causes of cancer-related deaths among Jamaican men over the age of 40. The prostate is a walnut-sized gland in men, located just below the bladder and in front of the rectum, surrounding the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the bladder. The risk of prostate cancer increases with age, family history, genetic, and age. Consultant oncologist Dr. Dingle Spence says a big part of the problem why this cancer remains so high is because most men are still afraid to do the test.
So the two principal tests are a blood test where we look for what we call a tumor marker called the PSA, stands for prostate specific antigen, and that has a normal range, and once that starts going out of the normal range, it can be due to infection, but it can also be an early sign of cancer. So once somebody's PSA is going up over time, that's again a little red flag, and so the person should definitely be checked out. And when the doctor puts their finger in the back passage and feels the prostate, if that feels enlarged or bumpy, that's another sign that there may be a problem.
Signs of prostate cancer include trouble urinating, discomfort in the pelvic area, and erectile dysfunction. Dr. Spence says if prostate cancer is detected early, it has a better chance of successful treatment.
It can be treated by surgery if you find it early. If it's a little bit later, or if for some reason you can't have surgery because you have other medical conditions, then it can be treated with radiotherapy, which is using the special X-rays, and it can also be treated with various medicines, some hormone treatment, some chemotherapy, and so on. So there's lots of treatments now for prostate cancer.
But Dr. Spence says the Ministry of Health can do more in terms of public education by encouraging more men to do screening.
The Cancer Society does a great job, but they alone can't do the full coverage. And I think that the people who've already been diagnosed with cancer and who have had their treatment and realize that it's not that bad could actually be advocates and, talk in their churches and find ways to speak in their communities to say, listen, I had it done, I had the surgery, I had the radiotherapy, it's fine, it looks as if I'm cured. And I think that the men themselves need to be out there speaking up.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health. The health report